Now that we've wrapped them in tin foil, we want to move them over here to the oven. The oven has been preheated at 225. We want to use the topmost rack because all the heat gathers in the top. They'll cook a lot more evenly that way as they will at the bottom. I have a light on my oven so I can just kind of keep an eye on it. The juices come spilling out. Got the timer here. We'll set that on 4.5 hours maybe. There we go. And they're ready to go. The timer will go off and let me know when it's time to take them out and take them to the grill. Okay, it beeped. We're down to under a minute left, so as the seconds are counting down, we go ahead and take these out, and we'll take them out to the grill. Before we do that, let's just open them up and check them real quick. It's a little hot. Now you want to check your meat. You should be able to just pull up on the bone. See how it just starts to separate from the meat? That's just right. See, that's just starting to come apart. It may have overcooked just maybe about 15 minutes, but that's why you want tongs. You don't want to, if you stick a knife in it, they're surely going to fall apart. So when you go to pick them up, you just want to lift them up. In fact, you can cut those in half. It'll be easier to handle on the grill.